Question 16. In the figure, ABC is a right-angled triangle and CDEF is a square. ED is 3 times as long as AF. Part A. Find the area of triangle ABC. Okay, so first let's find the unknown, which is AF. Okay, so AF can be found by taking 18 cm dividing it by 3, which will give us 6 cm. Okay, so now we add 6 cm and 18 cm, we get the line AC, which is 24 cm. So now we can find the area of triangle ABC by taking half times 24 cm times 38 cm, which is half times base times height, giving us 456 cm squared. Okay, so that's your answer for part A. Now part B. Find the area of the shaded part. Okay, so to find the area of the shaded part, right, which is like a triangle, but it's difficult because the shape is odd shape, right? It's quite weird. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the area of the unshaded parts. Okay, so we will first find the total area of the square and the triangle ABC, and then we will minus the unshaded parts. So what is the area of the square? It is 18 times 18, giving us 324 cm squared. Okay, next, let's try to find triangle DEF, which is half times 18 times 18, giving us 162. Okay, so one unshaded triangle down. Next, let's find triangle ABF and BCD. Okay, so it is 114 cm square and 216 cm square. So now we have all the area of the unshaded triangles. So the next step is to take the total area minus the unshaded portion. Okay, and that will give us 288 cm square. So did you manage to solve this question?